equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 screwdriver. These will be essential for disassembling your Dyson V10. Start by unplugging your vacuum cleaner and removing the dustbin. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it together. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. After the casing is off, you will see the motor assembly. Now, using the Torx T15 screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws, depending on the model. Once these screws are out, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. Take a moment to inspect the old motor for any signs of damage or wear. Before installing the new motor, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure optimal performance once the new motor is in place. Now, take your new motor and align it with the mounting points. Secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's tightly fitted to avoid any vibrations during operation. Next, reattach the casing of the vacuum. Ensure that all clips are properly aligned and that there are no gaps. Replace the screws at the back of the vacuum to secure the casing. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Finally, reinsert the dustbin and plug in your Dyson V10. Turn it on to test if the new motor is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for proper suction. If everything seems to be working well, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you. Congratulations on completing this repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.